As a result of the ever-changing nature of the financial landscape, individuals frequently discover that they want additional income in order to fulfill a variety of financial commitments. Obtaining a loan becomes a realistic choice for a variety of reasons, including but not limited to home renovations, debt consolidation, and costs that were not anticipated. Tesco Bank, which is a subsidiary of the well-known British multinational retailer Tesco plc, is a significant player in the lending industry. The purpose of this video is to provide an answer to a key question. Is it simple to receive a loan from Tesco? This video goes into the complexities of Tesco loans. In order to meet a wide variety of customers' financial requirements, Tesco Bank provides a selection of loan options. Loans like this can be broken down into three basic categories: personal loans, loans for automobiles, and loans for consolidating debt. The process of obtaining a loan from Tesco consists of a number of important elements, and it is essential to have a solid awareness of these steps in order to determine how easy it is to obtain a loan. Application process. When determining whether or not Tesco loans are available to an individual, the application process is one of the first factors to take into consideration. Tesco has simplified its application process in order to make it as easy as possible for anyone who are interested in obtaining a loan. The majority of the application is submitted online, which enables applicants to fill out the required forms without having to leave the convenience of their own homes. The online platform is made to be user-friendly, and it provides candidates with clear instructions and guides them through each stage of the process. Eligibility criteria. At the same time as Tesco is working to make the process of applying for a loan more accessible, there are some qualifying requirements that applicants need to fulfill. The requirements for these criteria often include requirements pertaining to age, income, and credit history. In most cases, applicants are expected to be working and have a consistent income, and there may be eligibility requirements based on their age. An additional factor that increases the likelihood of a loan being approved is having a decent credit score. Credit score considerations. The method by which a loan is approved is heavily influenced by the borrower's creditworthiness. As is the case with other financial organizations, Tesco evaluates the applicant's credit scores in order to establish whether or not they are able to repay the loan. It is generally true that having a higher credit score increases the likelihood of being approved for a loan and may also result in more favorable interest rates. Tesco, on the other hand, is more inclusive than other traditional lenders because it offers services to customers with a wide range of credit histories. Loan amounts and terms. To a certain extent, the simplicity with which an application can receive a Tesco loan is also contingent on the particular financial needs that they have. Tesco provides loans with a range of different amounts and terms, giving borrowers the opportunity to select a loan that is suitable for their requirements and their level of financial capability. Because of this flexibility, individuals are able to personalize their borrowing experience to suit their circumstances, which contributes to the accessibility of Tesco loans. Interest rates and affordability. One of the most important aspects that determines how simple it is to get a loan from Tesco is the interest rates, which are a reflection of the cost of borrowing money. Tesco is committed to providing competitive interest rates. However, the specific rate that is offered to an applicant is contingent upon a number of criteria, one of which is the applicant's creditworthiness. It is important for prospective borrowers to carefully evaluate whether or not the loan is within their financial means, taking into account not just the interest rate, but also the various terms of repayment. Benefits of Tesco loans. In order to conduct a more in-depth analysis of the availability of Tesco loans, it is necessary to investigate the advantages that the lending institution provides to its clients. Quick decisions. Tesco is well known for its speedy loan processing, as seen by the fact that many applicants receive decisions on their loan applications in a short amount of time. When it comes to obtaining a Tesco loan, this streamlined procedure contributes to the overall ease of the process, particularly for persons who have immediate financial requirements. Fixed monthly payments. The option of fixed monthly payments is made available to borrowers by Tesco, which enables them to more effectively organize their budgets. This feature helps to make the process of repaying a loan more predictable, which in turn makes it simpler for individuals to manage their personal finances. Repayment holidays. Tesco is willing to grant repayment breaks to debtors in specific circumstances, such as when they are confronted with unforeseen financial hardships. The ability to temporarily suspend repayments is a feature that can be beneficial for individuals who are experiencing short-term financial challenges. This function adds an additional layer of flexibility to the experience of borrowing money. Online account management. Beyond the application process, Tesco is committed to providing its customers with a convenient shopping experience. Through an online interface, borrowers are able to manage their loans, which gives them the ability to keep track of their repayments, examine their statements, and make adjustments as required. The overall experience of borrowing for the borrower is improved by this digital accessibility. Challenges and considerations. Despite the fact that Tesco loans come with a plethora of benefits, it is essential to take into account the potential difficulties and elements that may have an effect on how simple it is to secure a loan. Stringent eligibility criteria. Tesco continues to adhere to certain eligibility requirements, which may provide difficulties for some applicants, despite the company's efforts to be fully inclusive. For individuals who are in less than ideal financial conditions, the demand that they have a consistent income and a strong credit history might be restricting. Interest rate variability. In spite of the fact that Tesco strives to offer competitive interest rates, the actual rate that is offered to each applicant is contingent upon the specifics of their situation. It's possible that some borrowers will discover that the interest rates that are being provided are excessively high, which will have an effect on the total affordability of the loan. Limited loan options. Tesco provides a wide range of loan products, but in comparison to other lenders, the possibilities that are available to some borrowers may be seen to be quite restricted. It is possible that Tesco's options do not always correspond to the tastes of individuals who are looking for specialized loan products or specifically tailored conditions. There are a number of elements that determine whether or not Tesco loans are available to customers. These aspects include the application process, eligibility requirements, creditworthiness, and the perks that are provided. Significant progress has been made by Tesco in terms of streamlining the application process for loans and offering a variety of loan choices to meet the requirements of a wide spectrum of customers. The commitment of the lender to making decisions quickly, maintain consistent monthly payments, and provide online account management contributes to an improved experience for the borrower as a whole. On the other hand, prospective borrowers ought to take into consideration the difficulties that may arise, such as tight qualifying requirements and the possibility of interest rate variability. In the end, the simplicity with which one can receive a Tesco loan is contingent upon the specific circumstances of the applicant. Applicants are strongly encouraged to thoroughly analyze the terms and conditions in order to make well-informed judgments regarding their borrowing requirements.